our new video. As you guys know, we are discussing about the numerical computing topic, Newton-Raphson method. As you guys know, the numerical computing is basically used to find the root of any graph. So here we are discussing about the Newton-Raphson method, one of the method where we can find the root easily. As you guys can see, we have the equation here: x cube minus 8x plus minus 5, and we are having as you know, we are having a code also of this uh, specific method, Newton-Raphson method. We are gonna make a code on Java and Python. So here today we are gonna do the code in for Java, and then for the next video you guys we are gonna make the code in Python for the same method. So let's dig into the solution first. As you guys can see, we have the equation fx is equal to x cube minus 8x minus 5. For we have to find the root of this, and as you guys know, the formula xn plus 1 is equal to xn minus f xn upon f derivative xn. So we have to find the first derivative of the equation. As you guys can see, we have taken here 3x square minus 8 is our first derivative. Then we have x and fx for our root and the value of x. So we are gonna take the values of x. So we gonna check where the sign are gonna changing, which point will gonna sign are gonna changing. So as you can see that here at the x value of x is 3, and we got close to f of x minus is equal to minus 2 when the x is 3. So here is the thing where is the value changing. Afterwards you guys can see that when the x value is 4, so the value of f of x is going to be 27. So here is the point where is the value is changing. So we're gonna take xn as 3.5. We took an average, so it becomes 3.5. Then we put this 3.5 on our first equation, x cube minus 8x minus 5, and check on our answer, that is 9.875. and then we also put the 3.5 on our first derivative, and we got 28.5.75. Afterwards we do iterations by putting the values in the formula that is given here for Newton-Raphson method, and then we check on the iteration until we get close to the root. So now we are gonna go for the code, and where I can show you that's how it's gonna done in Java language. So here's the thing, guys. We just dig into the code. We have you can see, guys, we have a code in Java language for Newton-Raphson method. So I just make it with the main.java, so it can easy to run, and we don't get any problems. So you can, as you can see, guys, we got the here we have the 3 functions. As you can see, we got the equations we have taken for our solution, and we have the derivative formula here, and the Newton-Raphson method with the initialization all the initialized parameters. So we have initialize x is equal to initial guess, and then we use a loop for iterations. So as you can see, we have int I is equal to 0, I less than max iterations, and I plus plus. Then we move on to the if condition we have applied in our loop to check if the derivative is very close to 0 or to avoid division by small numbers. Okay, then we use the mat dot absolute f prime value and 1e minus 10. So अगर ये if the derivative is close to 0, it will print exiting, and if the math absolute f value less than tolerance, so system will gonna print converge to a solution after I plus 1 and iterations. So here in this part, if absolute f value less than tolerance, we get our iterations answers, and then we get out of the conditions and the loop, and system and print did not converge to a solution after plus max iterations plus I and the plus iterations. So we have the iterations. The answer will gonna, if when the check, it will gonna check that if the derivative is close to 0, so it will gonna exit, and if not, it will gonna move to the next condition, and then it will gonna iterate because it's in a loop. Then we got our main public static void main, where here we initialize our double initial guess, tolerance we have initialized, and max iterations we have initialized. Then we use the double root is equal to Newton-Raphson 3 parameters we have here method that we have here in the start to find a root of the equation that we have taken. Then we have all the things and the condition, and then we check it if it's gonna run with the iterations all the, and as you guys see in the solution we have done. So here I gonna run, always continue. As you can see guys, I have checked the code before to if it is running well. But yes, as you can see, it's running perfectly. The iteration 1 is 5.5 x value. Then we have our answer back in 7 iterations, that is 3.10, and we get as you can see, we get closer and closer and closer. The after the first iteration was 5.25, and the remaining 6 is like the after point values are converging, like 3.94 to 3.30, then 3.30, 3.11, and so on. So this is the code for Newton-Raphson method in Java. I hope you guys like the video and understand it well. Hope you guys see you guys soon, and thank you.